Hey guys, Kimberly Olson here, also known as FitKim, coming in for a training today to talk to you about supplementing with superfoods. This was scheduled for a different time, but my schedule got crazy today, so I had to move it up, and we'll just be able to catch most of you on the replay, which is a-okay with me. So we're gonna talk about supplementing with superfoods because it's a buzzword, it's used in marketing, you see it everywhere, but a lot of people don't really understand, is it important, do you actually need it? And I'm gonna tell you the dirty little secret around superfoods, why you need it, why it's important, and what I supplement with. So to welcome you on, put 1 in the comments if you're watching this live, put 2 if you're watching the replay. If you're new and you've never seen my videos before, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. If you share this out, put share it in the comments. I'd love to give you a hello for that. I want to give Candace a shout out. Just put Zaya in the comments if you want to get this top. This is part of her activewear line. We did an interview last week and I finally got this. Look at this sports bra, isn't this so cute? So I just wore this little black tank over it, but it's actually freaking stylish. Normally my sports bras are super lame and I love how it fit. I got all my goodies last night and everything fits awesome. That pink thing she was talking about is like freaking like a Snuggie, but it's super cute. Okay, superfoods. Let me give you the lowdown on this. I'm actually a superfood expert. I worked for a superfood company for 4 years and was the product expert. So whenever we launched a new product, it was my job to research it, find out all the benefits, how it interacted with the body, how people could consume it, and the history behind it, blah, blah, blah. And what I learned is that we need superfoods. Okay, superfoods are different than normal foods, but also we actually need them. Okay, so let me tell you what's different about them and why we need them. A superfood, ounce for ounce, has more nutrients in it, more vitamins, minerals, amino acids, complex carbohydrates. It has more healthy fats in it. It has more life force in it, more water content than any other foods on the planet. Okay, antioxidants, plant extracts, digestive enzymes. I mean, all the things that you want. So you could eat 20 cucumbers or a bowl of broccoli or a cup of broccoli. So cucumbers are great and they're good for you, but you're gonna be better off eating the cup of broccoli because nobody's gonna eat 20 cucumbers in one sitting. Like you just can't, right? So why do you need superfoods? And I am talking really fast, I am aware of that. It's because I freaking have a lot of superfoods in my body. I'm just checking the time too. So this is why we need them. The U.S. Senate has its document 264, I think it was around 1932, they released this statement that they were predicting that because of the way the farming methods had changed, that the soil was becoming more and more depleted, specifically in North America, that they predicted that by I think like 2000, they predicted that 85% of the soil would be depleted from its nutrients, and we have surpassed that number. So because of the mass farming, farmers started using potassium, potassium, phosphorus, and there's 3 of them. These like big minerals that actually help them to be able to farm cheaper and farm bigger, but all the trace minerals were washing away. All the other really important nutrients, they weren't using them anymore. So think about that. All of that stuff was becoming depleted in the soil. So we have plants that are harvested in this soil, and we have animals eating these plants. So the plants and the animals become nutritionally depleted, and we consume those plants and animals, so therefore we become nutritionally depleted. So some of the numbers are as high as 90%. The soil has become depleted since the 1900s, okay? It's an issue. People don't realize that, okay? Why do you think we've had so many chronic illnesses develop over the last 10, 20, 30, 40 years? Is because our soil is becoming less and less nutritious. Plus, obviously, we're eating less plants. So this is what you can do. You can supplement with superfoods. So there's a couple options you can do. This company went out of business, Genesis today, but it gives you an idea of what we're talking about. And the average person gets 1 to 2 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. It's recommended we get 5 to 13 servings. It used to be 5 to 9. I think this is so fascinating. It was the USDA. They changed it because the science was so profound, they couldn't ignore it any longer, that how important plants are in our diet, that they changed it, I think 2 years ago, from 5 to 9 servings a day is recommended to 5 to 13 servings is recommended. Hi, Tina. Hi, Missy. So what does that mean? We need more. And the average person is getting 1 to 2. So what I recommend people do is try to get more and then also to supplement. So you guys know I'm a huge fan of supplementation. So if you need help with that and you're like, I need help taking supplements, I'm not, and I need some help, put supplements in the comments and I will specifically give you a personal recommendation. But this, I want to talk about superfoods. This right here has 5 servings of green leafy vegetables in it. So what it is, it's powdered greens. I mean, imagine you had a garden with 75 plants in it. You're not going to go eat the 75 plants. So what these companies do is they basically freeze dry everything, and it looks like this. It smells like disgusting. It smells like green plants. And what they do, by doing that, it's super concentrated. One scoop of this is like eating 5 servings of vegetables, okay? So Amazing Grass is another really good company that I love. They are the leaders in superfoods when it comes to grains, and they actually own all their own farms, and they, like the wheatgrass and stuff like that, they harvest it long enough that the nutrients from the soil get in the wheatgrass. A lot of times people will grow wheatgrass for like 2 weeks and cut it, and you're just not getting anything, okay? Then the other option is something like this, is a little more palatable. If you guys want this one, just put, well, I'll tell you about it first. It's a premium green beverage. If you know yourself and you're like, if it tastes like plants, I'm not gonna eat it or consume it. Or if you have kids, do something like this, which is a little more palatable. It's fruits and vegetables. So I'll give you an example of what's in here. Spirulina, alfalfa, wheatgrass, barley, beetroot, ginger root powder, acerola, all kinds of stuff, bilberry. Now this is really cool about spirulina. It actually reflects every color of the rainbow under a microscope. Isn't that so cool? I don't know why I just told you that, but I just love like nerding out on this stuff. Okay, tons of superfoods in here. So just put drink in the comments and I'll get you a link on this powder. You can just put it in with water or juice. I do that every day. And then I have switched my coffee, and now I drink this whenever I remember to go buy them. This is Suha, but there's other brands out there. This is cold pressed, and so basically it just lets it be more shelf stable without losing the nutrients and the oxidation. This one has, I wanna say, usually it says it right on there, 2 billion probiotics per bottle. That's CFUs, which is really awesome. So this is their probiotic one, but I think it has like 12 different superfoods in it, and it's cold pressed, it's fresh, which is awesome. So I drink this instead of coffee. Like I said, I like decaf coffee, and it's fine if you like coffee, but it's really cool that I found that I want this instead of normal coffee or Starbucks. So I do this instead, and look at me. I have so much energy all the time, and you guys know my schedule. Like, I don't sleep very much, and I have so much freaking energy, and I swear it's because of this. And I've also noticed it impacts my skin. Like, I feel like I'm aging backwards because of all the different superfoods in the supplementation, okay? So that's why I supplement with superfoods, and I recommend it for everybody. So if you need help with it, just like I said, put supplements in the comments. We'll talk about it. I'll give you a recommendation. I've got some Amazon links I can send you where you can get this stuff on Amazon if you don't have a grocery store in your area with a good healthy living section or a vitamin section, that we can get you going on that, okay? So thanks for watching today. So glad to connect with you. And if you're not my group, head on over to Rocking the Fab Life with FitKim. I just did a pantry makeover that I think you guys will really enjoy. So go check that out. Okay, see you later. Bye.